blue playing cards. Okay? Blue playing cards, blue hat, blue shirt. Okay? Nothing really special about these cards. And I'm gonna show you that there is nothing really special about this blue cards. Okay? Blue cards, nothing really special about cards. I'm gonna cut it, okay? I'm gonna pick any card we want. Let's say this one. I don't know what this one. It's the Six of Spades. It's okay if I see it, okay? Six of Spades, blue cards, okay? I'm gonna put it on the center of the deck. Watch. I'll put it over here, just like that. Blue cards, watch what I'm gonna do in the blue cards is what I'm gonna do in the blue cards is change color. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna rub this card. Watch, I'm gonna rub this deck of cards until it changed color, right? Change color. The whole, I'm gonna show you this. The whole deck changed color except for one. Selected card. Six of Spades. Right, the Six of Spades. Blue card. All black and white color card. And all can be completely examined.